Patio Doors Eagle installation in Eagle, Idaho is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With a variety of options available, including sliding glass doors and French doors, residents can choose the perfect style to complement their homes. Patio Door Installation Eagle, Idaho services ensure that your new doors are fitted with precision and care, providing both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Sliding glass doors in Eagle ID are a popular choice for those seeking to maximize natural light and create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. These doors are not only stylish but also practical, offering easy access to patios and gardens. Sliding glass doors Eagle ID services provide expert installation and maintenance to keep your doors operating smoothly. French doors. Eagle Idaho offer a classic and elegant option for homeowners looking to add a touch of sophistication to their homes. These doors are perfect for creating a grand entrance to your patio or garden. French doors. Eagle Idaho services include professional installation and repair to ensure your doors remain in top condition. Patio door repair Eagle ID is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Whether you have issues with the door frame, glass, or hardware, professional repair services can address any problems quickly and efficiently. Patio door repair Eagle ID experts are equipped to handle all types of repairs, ensuring your doors are restored to their original condition. Energy-efficient patio doors. Eagle are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills and improve their home's insulation. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient patio doors. Eagle services offer a range of options to suit your needs and budget. Custom patio doors. Eagle Idaho provide a unique opportunity to personalize your home's entryways. Whether you prefer a specific style, material, or color, custom patio doors can be tailored to your exact specifications. Custom patio doors. Eagle Idaho services work closely with you to design and install doors that reflect your personal taste and enhance your home's curb appeal. Patio door replacement Eagle ID is a necessary service for homeowners with outdated or damaged doors. Replacing your patio doors can improve your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. Patio door replacement Eagle ID services offer a wide selection of door styles and materials to choose from, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Vinyl patio doors. Eagle Idaho are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These doors are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them a practical option for any home. Vinyl patio doors Eagle Idaho services offer expert installation and maintenance to keep your doors looking and functioning like new. Aluminum patio doors Eagle ID are known for their strength and sleek design. These doors are ideal for modern homes and provide a contemporary look that complements any architectural style. Aluminum patio doors. Eagle ID services ensure your doors are installed with precision and care, providing long-lasting performance. Wood patio doors. Eagle Idaho offer a timeless and natural aesthetic that adds warmth and character to any home. These doors can be customized with various finishes and stains to match your home's decor.